नमस्ते दोस्तों, मेरा नाम प्रशांत राज है और मैं महाराष्ट्र से हूँ। आज हम एक किताब पढ़ेंगे जिसका नाम है ओवर अर्थ। राइटर नेम भूमिका झा एंड दिस इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय प्रकाशन केंद्र, दिल्ली 110032। And in these chapters, the overviews are Earth and overview, formation of the Earth, composition and structure, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. First, we have to take a view on Earth, an overview. Earth, an overview. Every year on April 22, the world observes Earth Day. The Earth is essential to our existence. There is currently no planet outside Earth where life may exist. Earth Day is marked to raise awareness about protecting the environment and preventing pollution and deforestation, population increase, war, etc., from harming the planet. In particular, schools observe this day. Students frequently participate in speaking engagements, debates, and painting contests and other similar events to express their viewpoints. Earth is our home, so we should do everything we can protect it from the threats humans have caused. The planet Earth is home to millions of pupils and numerous plant and animal species. Earth Day draws attention to issues like global warming and depletion of natural resources. Moving to the next page, the significance of environmental protection for human survival is highlighted by World Health Day. Oceans and land on Earth provide a home for numerous animals. We must save this planet. Our Earth Day first gained international recognition in 1990. The first Earth Day was observed on April 22, 1970. Many programs are conducted in schools and colleges to celebrate Earth Day. The most crucial thing, regardless of how we choose observe Earth Day, is to do something to save our world. Each billion years ago, Earth is supposed to be 4 billion years ago. Earth Day celebration is the perfect reminder to humanity to check their action and stop further damage. In 2022, we celebrate Earth Day on the theme Invest in Our Planet. The annual World Earth Day is observed on April 22. Gaylord Nelson first proposed the idea of World Earth Day in 1970. The oil explosion several harmed the aquatic terrestrial environment in Santa Barbara in 1969. Following the tragic occurrence, he decided to mark a day honoring nature. Another trigger was the student anti-war movement. Around that time, initial only pupil in United States. This day celebration has since spread worldwide. It is widely observed in our then in more than uh, going to next page. 193 nations around the world. Activities to protect the environment are part of the event. Skits and short dramas are performed during Earth Day. Celebration in schools and colleges. This is the picture of our Earth. Earth is third of 9 planets in our solar system. Its surface mostly water, about 70%, and it has a moderately dense nitrogen and oxygen atmosphere that supports life. Rich in iron and nickel, Earth is dense, molten orbital sphere with a solid core, a thin outer crust. Earth rotates about its polar axis as it revolves around the Sun. Earth has one natural satellite, the Moon. A complete revolution of Earth around the Sun takes about 1 year, while a rotation on its axis takes 1 day. The surface of moving to the next page. Earth is constantly changing as tectonic plates slowly move about to about on the turbinal foundation of partially molten rock beneath them. Collision between landmass build mountains, erosion wears them down. Slow changes in the climatic cause equally slow changes in vegetation and animals. Earth orbits the Sun at distance of 93 lakh 93 lakh kilometers, 150 billion kilometers, taking 365.25 days to complete one revolution. Earth is a small biplanetary system, only one ninth the size of Jupiter. The equatorial radius of the Earth is about 6,378 kilometers. The polar radius of the Earth is about 6,357 kilometers. The difference is due to centrifugal flattening. Earth mass is estimated at approximately 6.0 into 1024 kg. The difference is due to centrifugal flattening. Unlike the outer planets, which are composed mainly of light gases, Earth is made of heavy elements such as iron and nickel, and is therefore much more dense. These characteristics, small and dense, are typical of inner four terrestrial planets. About 4.5 to 5.1 billion years ago, the solar system formed from a contracting cloud of interstellar gas. The cloud underwent compression and heating as it shrank and until its central parts blazed forth as the mature stable star as the sun formed the surrounding gases. Going to the next page. Cloud flattened into a disk. In this disk, the first solid particles formed and then grew as they exerted additional matter from the surrounding gas. Soon, subplanetary bodies called planetesimals build up and they collide and merged, forming the planet. The high temperature in the inner solar system ensure that only the heavy elements, those that form rock and metal, could survive in solid form. Thus were formed the small dense terrestrial plants, hot at first due to the collision that formed it. Earth began to cool. Its components began to differentiate or separate themselves according to the density. To its core went the heavy abundant elements iron and nickel. Outside the core were numerous elements compressed into a dense but pliable substance called the mantle. Finally, a thin shell of cool, oxygen and silicon-rich rock formed at Earth's surface. The crust of lithosphere formation of the crust from the initial molten mass took half a billion years. Earth's atmosphere formed as a result of outgassing of carbon dioxide from the interior and exertion of gases from space, including elementation brought to Earth by comets. The lightest elements such as helium, most of the hydrogen escaped to space, leaving behind. Moving to the next page. An early atmosphere consisting of hydrogen compounds such as methane and ammonia, as well as water, vapor and nitrogen, and sulfur, bearing compounds released by volcanoes. Carbon dioxide was also plentiful but was soon dissolved in ocean waters and deposited in the carbonate rocks. As the gases cooled, they condensed the rain inundated the planet. The lithosphere was uneven, containing highlands made of buoyant rocks such as granite and heavy basins of heavy denser basalt. Into this giant basin the rain flowed, forming the ocean. Eventually life forms appeared, and over the course of billion years, plants enrich the atmosphere with oxygen, finally producing the nitrogen oxygen. Atmosphere we have today. Earth's crust is in a constant through slow state of change. Landmass move, collide, and break apart according to a process called plate tectonics. Lithosphere. The outer crust and the portion of the upper mantle is not one huge shell of rock. It is composed of several large pieces called plates. These pieces are constantly in motion because Earth's interior is dynamic with its core still molten and with large scale convective currents in the upper mantle. The thermal forces move the planets a few centimeters a year, but this is enough to have profound. नमस्ते तो दोस्तों धन्यवाद आपका वीडियो देखने के लिए। लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें।